Marshall Tower, Apache 5 flight.
Apache 5 flight, what?
Tower Apache 5 flight, request off route 1 at Pennsylvania Ave for Papa 56 Alpha.
Apache 5 flight, approved.
Approved.
Hey guys, greetings from the U.S. Capitol, because we have a late night event, maybe. I don't know if it's going to actually happen, but reportedly there are going to be 4 Black Hawk helicopters doing a survey, a landing zone survey, and they're going to come down here and check out this area and then the other side of the Capitol as potential landing zones in case of an emergency. This is a night training exercise. We get exercises like this a lot, every couple of months, but I haven't seen one lately, so I'm down here in the hopes we might see some cool helicopters. Or I might just have to go home and apologize to my wife for leaving at the last minute. We'll see. Okay guys, they're coming, but on the other side of the Capitol, up the hill. So we have to run up this hill. Where are they going? Let's go back down. Okay, the first 2 came by. They just did one pass, went down the mall. That was not fun. There's a second flight of 2 helicopters coming. They'll be here in a few moments. Maybe we'll get something better this time.
Washington Tower, pad 26 fly, approaching South Cap, confirming we are clear into the Papa.
26 flight, flight approved, wind calm again, altimeter 3005.
Okay, they're coming down Maryland Avenue this time. Not Pennsylvania Avenue, that's over here on the Senate side. Just starting to hear them. Should see them any second. Maybe. There they are. Okay guys, so I took about 100 photos last night, but the majority of them look like this. Blurry, out of focus, squiggly, yada 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 yada. However, I did get lucky in that there were a few photos in which everything sort of came together. Oh well, live and learn.